Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Technical director at Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, believed the team gave a good account of themselves despite going down 2-0 in the second leg of the CONCACAF Champions Cup round of 16 clash at the National Stadium against Inter Miami last night. Luis Suarez opened the scoring for Inter Miami in the 37th minute, and then Lionel Messi, who was used as a substitute, netted in second half stoppage time to get them the 4-0 aggregate victory. Speed believed that for the most part, the team did their job.
In some respect, yes. Miami didn't really break us down. I mean, like get behind us and was able to get one-on-one shots at the goalkeeper. But as I said before, in terms of defending, probably it was just the last kick of the match we considered the second goal when we tried to break away to make sure that we equalized. So I thought we did. I just thought that, as usual, again, we made some mistake, the penalty, and we paid the price. And of course, Delmar Calvin and Kyle Avery, two electrifying players. They always do well whenever we play, so I'm pleased.
Inter Miami will next play Los Angeles FC in the quarterfinals. Second place Arnett Guns continue to keep within pace of leaders Mount Pleasant FA with a 4-1 drubbing of Dunby Holding at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Thursday. Shea Smith put the Junglists ahead in the 27th minute before the informed Warner Brown got his name on the score sheet in minute 48. Fabian Reed and Jeremy Nelson both scored for Arnett, while Nikhil Wright got the lone goal for Dunby Holding. Arnett moved to 61 points, while Dunby Holding are 9th on 32. Racing United's impressive form continued as they blanked Waterhouse 3-0 at Jerusalem to go 11 games unbeaten as both teams hunt a playoff berth. Kadeem Young opened the scoring in the 27th minute. Nikyle Ellis added the second in the 64th, and Damain Smith got his name on the score sheet in the 6th minute of second half added time. With the win, Racing moved to 6th on 41 points, while Waterhouse dropped to 7th on 38. In other results, Harbourview, led by a double from Rowan Brown, blanked Chapelton Maroons 3-0 at the compound, and Cellar Dwellers Veer United went down 2-1 at home to Montego Bay United at the Wembley Centre of Excellence. And finally, Golden State Warrior point guard Steph Curry became the first player to reach 4,000 made three-pointers. Curry, who already held the record for the most career three-pointers made, required just 2 more to hit the milestone figure when he stepped onto the court to face the Sacramento Kings on Thursday. The American achieved the feat in the third quarter at the Chase Center in San Francisco. Curry became the all-time leading scorer for three-pointers in 2021 when he surpassed Ray Allen's record of 2,973 made threes at Madison Square Garden. His achievement came in the 130-104 win against the Kings and was celebrated with a tribute on the big screen during the timeout shortly after the basket landed. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.